Hey everyone, welcome back again in the session, guys. In today's session, we are going to discuss about right join. In the last session, we discussed about the left join, right? Now, in today's session, we are going to discuss about the right join. What does right join says? Right join says that I will return all rows from right table, okay? All rows from right table and the matching record from the left table, okay? So now, if you see that it is similarly as left table, but the difference is that the common rows from the return from the left table and all rows written from the right table. Okay, so that is called right join. So now let's come to the point how we do right join. What is syntax? Syntax is simple. You can write select all the column name from table name, same, then right join, then second table, and then I have to mention table first column name is equal to table second column name. Okay, so in that way, we can do right join. So let's see practically. Okay. So this time we also work with the same table. So let's first choose the table database, use Office. And then I will write here, select star from employee. Okay. And similarly, select star from dependent. So last time, all rows are written from employee table. Now this time, all rows will written from the dependent table. Okay. It is not mandatory that employee should become left table or right table. It is your own choice which table you want to keep on the left side, or which table you want to keep on the right side. Okay. In my case, I keep employee table the left side and dependent table on the right side. Okay. If you see the syntax, right, column will be SSN from employee and ESSN from the right table. So let's write the normal queries as we are writing. Select star from employee, right join, select star from employee, right join, dependent. Okay. Then I should mention on employee dot SSN is equal dependent dot ESSN. Semicolon. Okay. Let's execute this query. So what I get it, you can see from left table and right table. If you see, let's see this time. This time, what happened? Let's see. All the rows of ESSN from right side is returned. Okay. And from left side, only common rows is written. Okay. You can see the common rows is written. So in right join, what happened? All rows from left table will be written, and sorry, all rows from right table will be written, and from left side only common rows will be written. Okay, so you can see here. In that way, we can perform right join. It is same like left join. Okay, nothing than that. So I hope guys, this right join is clear. Okay, if you want to give a short name, that is also possible. You can write here, select star from employee as E, right join dependent, DEPE, okay, on employee dot SSN equal dependent dot ESSN semicolon. Okay. Sorry, this time I am using short name, so I will write here E, and from dependent side I will write D. Okay, semicolon. Okay, there's something wrong. Dependent D. Sorry, I give a forget to short name dependent D. You can see all the rows is written from right side. Okay, and from left side only common rows is written. Okay, so I hope everyone this section is clear how we can use left join, right join. Okay, in the next session, let's see, we are going to discuss about the full join. Okay, then we discuss the cross join. Okay, so let's see in the next session full join. So we will meet in next session. Thank you guys.